Next is the articles. Articles, there are three kinds of articles: a, an, or the. A and an are indefinite article, and the is a definite article. Clear? So article are the English language words like a, an, or the that is used according to some rules in the sentences. Clear? So the is called a definite article, and a and an are called indefinite article. So it is a general rule that a common noun in the singular number should have a or an placed before it. We should write like he saw a girl and not he saw a girl. This is not correct. We should write he saw a girl. He is a fool, and not, we will not write like this, he is fool. Clear? So next is an. An is used before the sound of a vowel. As you know all, an is used before the sound of a vowel. And silent h. An our, an honest brother, an ear, okay, an ox. So an is used before an h when the accent is on the second syllable. Clear? So an honorable man. So similarly, an is not used before you as in a university, or before o as in a one-sided affair, because they do not sound as a vowel. That's why. So accent means a pronunciation, and syllable means part of word that contains single vowel. Clear? So next is the definite article. The is used in the following cases. To use the article, there are following rules. First rule is before the names of sea, rivers, mountains, countries, and group of island. The is used like the Jammu, or any sea name, river name, the Ganga. Clear? So next, second rule is before the singular noun which stand for the whole class. Clear? So like the camel is the ship of desert. Camel in which all camels are all camels will come, like, you know, it represent a class of camels, whole class. So next is the lily is the sweetest of the flowers, of all flowers. Clear? Next, third rule is when we speak of a person who has been already referred to, or when we wish to particularize a person or thing. For example, I don't know the man you are talking about. Clear? The book you presented to me is full of lovely pictures. Next is before the fourth rule is before the names of ships, train, books, and newspapers like the Janta Express, the Tribune. Okay, is a fast. The Tribune is a very good newspaper. Okay, and the Janta Express is a faster train. The Ramayana is read and recited in most of the Indian homes. So the next rule is the is also used before common nouns, which are the names of unique things. Means the is used with the unique things, with the fact, okay, with the truthful sentence, like as the moon, the sun, the stars, the earth. Clear?